So I'm working on a 24 Promaster. This is a 1500 model, and my issue was that the doors were not locking on it. You would press the key fob lock and it would make a noise and it would beep. Everything's normal, that you would think it's locked, but in reality all the doors are unlocked, and we couldn't figure out what the issue was. So I ended up finding the fuse. I didn't have a diagram. There was a video about an older model where 15 amp fuse was bad, and I popped this cover open hoping to find that 15 amp in here. It's slightly a different fuse box than the newer model, but I ended up pulling this 5 amp right here and it just fell apart, so I guess it was blown. It ripped the the piece out. It stayed in there. I had to pull it out, so I guess it was blown, I'm not sure. But after I replaced this 5 amps fuse, my doors are actually locking. So yeah, I hope this helps you, and if this does help you, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. And on the older model, I think it was in the center piece, so there was 3 rolls of fuses, and it was a 15 in this area. That's where the door lock fuse was. And so if you have an older model or a different fuse box, so look for that one.